You are infinite abundance of beauty, and like each element on earth is having its unique shape, its unique color, its unique gift, energy, beauty. That's also us. Each human being is unique. You are unique. You are the infinite abundance of beauty, diversity, inclusion. We are all belonging in this beautiful universal globe. Each human being is unique. Each living creature on earth is unique, and we are all a global big universal family. So respect you and others, love you and others, and accept your diverse elements. Forgive, forgive, forgive. Love, 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 respect, and increase your knowledge. If you want to be learning how infinite abundance of beauty, glory, peace, health, joy you are, message me and I will offer you the peace, health and joy training with a 10% discount. Mwah.